Hello! I'm about to be getting ready because today I have a really exciting event. I'm going to the Barbie movie. I'm about to be getting ready. Tonight I'm going to see the Barbie movie, but I'm going to an event for it. It's through Fun on Weekdays. If you know Jenna Palick on TikTok, that's her brand. And so she does a lot of cool community events, especially in Austin. So tonight I'm going, and what I'm really excited about is it is part like dress up, match a doll, fashion show vibes. Actually, what is it? I think it was called a pageant on the description. So I think we're just going to be showing off our outfits. So you're dressing to match a doll, and then you're donating the doll, and then we're watching the movie, which is like so me. I just like love to dress up, and I haven't done something like this in so long. But so this is the doll I'm going to be dressing like. She is gorgeous, and I love her outfit. I have pants like this, which is what inspired the whole thing. So I DIY'd a top like this, which I'll show you later. Once I freshen up, I am going to crimp my hair. And then I think after I put the top on, the top I DIY'd is like really hard to get on. But after I put the shirt on, then I'm gonna do my makeup. I think I'm gonna put on lashes. Like, look at this. I've got blue eyeshadow, which I was never a blue eyeshadow girl. So blue eyeshadow, falsies. I'm gonna go make some friends tonight. It's gonna be so fun. I haven't done this much like getting ready in a minute. I practiced my makeup last night, and I put on like the blue eyeshadow, and I was like, I haven't done this much makeup since like high school prom. So I am going for over the top, and it's gonna be really fun. I also just cut all my hair off, which makes it a little hard to do stuff, but I'm like, it's okay. I have the dry bar, like, I don't know what you call this, like a 3-in-1 styling tool. Okay, so I put this together, and I'm gonna crimp my hair. It's gonna look really cute. Do you guys ever see those getting ready with me videos on TikTok where they're like, I'm gonna be 10 minutes late and get ready with me? And I'm like, literally, I cannot relate. This is not for several hours, but I wanted to be ready. I painted this top because I needed to DIY it, and time was limited, as well as I was like, I don't know how to sew this together, and I don't want to take too much time or money on this. So what we did is we took some acrylic paint and some medium, and we we painted it. So it is super stiff to put on, and I'm a little worried. This is honestly one of my favorite ways to style my hair, just because it is literally so easy. Half of my head is done. I really want more volume. What I like about this though is that it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just like fun and floofy and cute. I did my hair last night and I blow dried it, but I swear it's still damp, and I'm like, I thought I was good. So this is the second Fun on Weekdays event I've been to, but what I'm finding as like someone in their 20s is it's like so weird. I feel like everyone wants to make friends. My hair's definitely not dry because I hear it crinkling. No, so it's like trying to make new friends is genuinely such a weird thing to do. And I feel like the first 6 to 9 months after graduation, I just flat out like didn't want to make friends. Not because I didn't want friends, but I think it just came from a place of being really freaked out about having to go out and make friends and find them. I will say, I went to, it was called a paint and sip. I painted this cute pink cowgirl boot canvas painting thing. I can't talk. But I sat at a table with 8 girls, and they literally were so sweet, and they've gotten together and done some stuff. And I'm hoping, I think next month we're gonna watch the Summer I Turned Pretty. We're gonna watch the finale, which is really cool. We're a few hours away, and I did start thinking of all the worst case scenarios, which is so weird because my brain doesn't usually go here, but I'm like, okay, well, what if everyone thinks I just look too over the top? Or what if I'm not over the top at all and my outfit's super weak? Or what if the girls are mean? Which I'm like, okay. It's fine. Like 2/3 of the event is literally watching a movie. Like you don't have to make besties. You can just sit there in a theater and be good. I'm so excited though, because I think she's rented out the whole theater, which is super cool. Yeah, no, I started getting nervous, which I think is totally normal. But it's like, I am just trying to get myself in the door. I'm one of those people who gets nervous before, but not so much when I'm in the middle of a situation. So the big thing for me is like, if I can just get there, show up, say hello. That's the hardest part, is getting there and saying hi. I feel like a lot of people are hopefully gonna dress up just because that's like the dress code, and if that's the case, then I'm like, oh, we'll have something to talk about. Like we'll have our Barbies to show off. I'm also excited too because we do get gift bags at this. Promise me a gift bag and chances are I may show up. Guys, I'm not really a hair girly. I don't know if that was made clear, but this is like my limited hair abilities. At some point I accidentally turned off the iron, so I just turned it back on. Now I'm gonna do this half my hair. I'm gonna turn a fan back on. I'm gonna get in the zone, and I will show you my hair when it's done. I'm done with my hair. I want to focus later on more volume at the roots, but I don't want to do anything too crazy just because I'm not leaving for a hot second. But I'm good to go. Okay, it's been a minute. It is time for me to actually start getting ready. This is the top that matches the doll. I feel like I'm in a prison. It definitely shrunk. So in the back, oh, if you're wondering, I put this on my hair so I would be able to do, what's it called? So I'd be able to get this on. And that was just like a moment of bonding my mom and I did not need to have. But I put it on. It's like, I can't fully, nah. So I left this in the back so it'd have a little stretch. That is me trying to look like my Barbie though. I will show you the finished look. But so now, oh my gosh, I came up with a cute thing to do with my hair. I'm so excited. When y'all see it with the pants and the doll and the hair and the makeup, it's gonna be good. So we're gonna start. I have some LA colors. They are very blue. For all the girlies who did blue eyeshadow in middle school, this is probably just like bring them back. But for me, I did not do that. I skipped that phase, so I'm learning it all now. I'm using a fluffy brush to blend it out at the top, but honestly, I don't even know if I'm gonna use the other shade. I might just do this. Because I'm dressing like a doll, part of me feels like it being fun and kid-like and not super structured kind of works. I have a teeny tiny brush. Yeah, before I do the lashes, I am gonna do the rest of my makeup. And a little bit of Anastasia brow. Okay, it's been a minute since I've done this, and I remember in high school watching tutorials on this. I don't know, I guess here's what we're gonna do. Here are the wispies. Okay. So it already has a little sticky on it. Is that right? Is that wrong? And for people who do makeup, this is my formal question of, do you do the, oh no. I put my lashes on and I have not worn lashes in so long, it feels so odd. But I'm just filling this in. I'm gonna do lipstick, hair, pants. It's an exciting time. You guys are not gonna believe what this looks like with the pants on. I'm so excited. I did this thing earlier today where I took my turquoise clip and I clipped my hair. That's kind of fun. It feels very early 2000s, 90s-ish because I can do a little poof. And something about the little poof kind of feels like a doll style to me. So I am going to hairspray this up. Also, okay, major problem. I realized I did not put deodorant on because I thought it would come off. Also, like, I cannot fit deodorant up in here. So like, say a prayer and I'm gonna figure out deodorant right now because I am already sweating. My outfit is fully on now, so I wanna show you the fit. It's kind of cropped, but I have these pants, I'm obsessed. And then I have the little top we made. I think it's perfect, yeah. So here's the doll that I'm matching. And then this is me. So I'm like, I think it's okay. I think it worked. I am impressed with how we painted this because I really didn't think it was going to turn out like this. So got the top we DIY'd, got the pants. I just wore sneakers because you can't see her shoes, but I am ready to go. I'm back home from the movie tonight and it was so much fun. I like literally can't even say enough good things. First of all, I was one of the winners, which I was so excited about. But like, second of all, if you're ever thinking about going to a Fun on Weekdays event, if there's like one in your city or you're thinking about it or you're in Austin, you definitely should, just because Jenna's events are always so much fun, but also because you meet such cool people. Like both times I've come out with some really sweet friends that I can connect with afterwards. And it's like, I know that's the whole goal, but when I think about like going to stuff alone, not knowing anybody, if you told me a year ago I would do that, I'd be like, no way, that is so scary. In the car I started getting really nervous, but I made a friend tonight and she was so sweet. But yeah, so this is me. I'm not taking the shirt off yet because once I take it off it's gonna be off forever. Like I'm never going back in this thing. But this is the sweatshirt that I won. I thought this was super cute. This is some of her old merch, and so it's a large, it's really fun and big, and so I just can imagine once it's not 105 in Texas, I'm gonna be wearing this with leggings and it's so freaking cute. But then also she gave us, everyone who went got gift bags, and these gift bags, first of all, look at the paper, it's so cute. But then also the gift bag is super legit. The movie was so like sweet. Like, okay, I loved like the musical parts of it and the message, and like I've heard people say they don't like it, and I simply don't understand. Like, I understand that the movie's not for everyone, but I thought the movie was like so fabulous. I'm probably gonna go see it again while it's still in theaters, because I think there's something about seeing it on the big screen. But yeah, I made a really sweet friend, and I love when stuff like this happens. She works really close to where I live, so we're gonna go out to eat. I think we're gonna grab a bite to eat one day after work next week, which is really exciting. Since I have you, I thought I'd show you what's in the gift bag because it's really legit. So let's do a little gift bag unboxing. I just broke the bag. Okay, no, the bag's fixable. So when I came in, I talked to one of the girls, Hallie, who works with Jenna, and she was saying they actually had a bunch of like stuff for the bag, so they doubled up. So the first thing I was so excited to get was the Isle of Paradise tanning drops, and there's 2 of them, and I want to say this is the full size, but these are in medium. But then to go with that, there's 2 of the tanning drops for face and body. So this is what you put a few drops of this in your like moisturizer, and it helps you tan gradually, and it's supposed to look more natural than if I just took my self tanner to my face. And then this makeup brand, I don't know how to say it, I think it's Jor. I've never heard of it, but some of the girls there had, and they were excited. So there's 2 things of these under eye patches, which is really cool. I've actually never used under eye patches, so this will be fun. I used to be such a big face mask girl, so it's perfect. Then there's also from the same brand, this is I read this, it's like a tinted hydrating lip oil. So this is a lip thing. I haven't opened it yet, but this is the little pink shade, which I think is really pretty. And then the last thing in the bag, I've never used these before, so this is gonna be fun. She put in some Waterboy. Jenna had a collection with Waterboy, and it's her fruit punch flavor, so this is gonna be really good. I've never used like a liquid IV or like a Waterboy before, but I'm gonna be using it now. And honestly, fruit punch, it sounds really good. I've only heard good things, so it's gonna be fun to use. Tonight honestly was so much fun, between like the movie being so good and getting to make a friend, getting to like dress up and be silly, and then talking with Jenna and so many of the sweet girls there tonight. It was so good. Also, it was her 2-year anniversary of starting this company, Fun on Weekdays, and it just was like so much like girl power and sisterhood, and it was just like the best time. I like have to go, okay, I never have lashes on, so I'm just like staring at them. I think at some point before I go to sleep, I'm gonna take them off. I don't think I did a bad job. Like, they're a little over the top, obviously, but like that's the point. I'm gonna go now and watch Suits, and then at some point I'm gonna wash my makeup off and go to sleep. But thank you so much for watching this video. I had so much fun making it, and I had such a great day. Yeah, I hope you are having an amazing week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!